Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving quadratics, both imaginary and real solutions. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says use the quadratic formula to solve. We're given the equation x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. Before we start, we'll put the quadratic formula, that is x equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, where a, b and c are the coefficients taken from the equation. A has the coefficient of the x squared term, b is the coefficient of the x term, while c is the c is the constant. In this equation, a equals 1, b equals 2 and c also equals 2. Now it says with both imaginary and real solutions. When the quantity, that is b squared minus 4ac, is negative, then we have an imaginary solution. If it is positive or greater than 0, then it has real solutions. So now we'll find out the value of x with the help of the quadratic formula. So we'll plug in our values. X equals to negative 2 plus and minus b squared, that is 2 squared, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 2, divided by 2 times 1. So this is equals to negative 2 plus and minus 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equals to negative 2 plus minus 4 minus 8 is a negative 4 divided by 2. Now here we see we have a negative inside the radical. So this is replaced by negative 2 plus minus radical 4 times radical negative 1 divided by 2. This radical negative 1 has a value which is given by I. This is denoted by I. So we write this as negative 2 plus minus radical 4i divided by 2. Now square root of 4 is nothing but 2. So negative 2 plus minus 2i divided by 2. From the whole expression we can pull out a 2. So we are left with negative 1 plus minus I. Now the values of x equals to negative 1 plus I or negative 1 minus I. This is our final solution and can be seen in option C. Let's move on to the next question. Use the quadratic formula to solve. We're given x squared plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So the quadratic formula is x equals to negative b plus and minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. We'll identify the ABCs from the equation. A equals to 1, b equals to 1, while c equals to negative 3. So we'll plug these values and see what we get. X equals to negative 1 plus minus b squared, that is 1 squared, minus 4 times 1 times negative 3 divided by 2 times 1. So this is equals to negative 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times negative 3 is a negative 12 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equals to negative 1 plus minus negative times negative is a positive, so 1 plus 12 divided by 2. This finally becomes negative 1 plus minus square root of 13 divided by 2. So now we'll split into 2. X equals to negative 1 plus square root of 13 by 2, or negative 1 minus square root of 13 divided by 2. These are the two roots of the equation and can be seen in option B, negative 1 plus root of 13 by 2 or negative 1 minus root of 13 by 2. Let's move on to the next question. Use the quadratic formula to solve x square plus 3x plus 2. So our quadratic formula now is easy to remember, negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where our a equals 1, b equals 3, c equals 2. So we'll plug in the values now. X equals to negative b plus minus b squared, that is 3 squared, minus 4 times a times c, that is 2, divided by 2 times 1. This is equals to negative 3 plus and minus. 3 squared is 9, 4 times 1 is 4, times 2 is 8, divided by 2 times 1 is 2. This is equals to negative 3 plus and minus. 9 minus 8 is 1, which is equals divided by 2. This is equals to negative 3 plus minus 1 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1. So now we have two values of x, which is equal to negative 3 plus 1 divided by 2, or negative 3 minus 1 divided by 2. We solve this. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is a negative 2 divided by 2 is a negative 1, or negative 4 divided by 2 equals to negative 2. So x equals to negative 1 or negative 2. This is our final answer, can be seen in option D. I hope solving quadratics with both imaginary and real solutions is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.